Morning, Norm. Hey there, Liz.
Kevin. Hey, how are you?
All right, working hard again, huh? Last week tile, this week a deck, huh?
Yeah.
And it looks like a composite deck.
Right, Kevin, it's a composite material. We've used materials like this before. It's made out of recycled wood products and polyethylene, like water bottles.
Cool.
And it gets extruded when it's made. And this one has a coating on the top when it's extruded that helps reduce fading and scratching.
Nice. And so they also give you the color and the wood tone right here.
Right.
Although, Liz, I guess you could have gone with natural wood. Why the composite?
We like the recycled content of the material and the durability. I'd rather be playing out here with my kids than maintaining a deck.
Boy,
and
I
it
hear
looks
that.
great.
Yeah.
So now it gets attached with these clips. It's got a groove already cut in it. And the clip goes in like this. And then a screw goes through this hole to fasten it. And they go in this, it looks like a nail gun, right?
Yeah.
But it's actually driving these screws down through the clip. And the clip also holds it up, giving an airspace between the frame and the decking.
Mm-hmm.
It also spaces the decking. Right here you can see the space.
Oh, yeah.
So it makes it pretty easy.
Nice. All right, well, you guys have obviously made some progress, so you've got a plan. I promised Charlie some help, so I'll leave you guys to this.
Okay.
Great.
All right. Okay, that plank is secure. Now the next one will fit, but we need a small piece for here.
Right.
And we'll rip that now.
Okay.
Okay, Liz, so this is where we'll rip the piece. The manufacturers suggest a carbide blade. If you could just help guide it. Okay, Liz, let's just slide that underneath the skirt board.
All right. And the cut side goes towards the house, right?
Yep.
Okay.
All right, now to fill the gap we see now, we're going to put in a full width piece. Just drop it in. Okay. Yep. We can't use the clips here, so we're going to use these screws. They're stainless steel and they match the color of the decking. So Liz, what I want you to do is take this bar and just pull on it like that, so
Wedge
it's
in.
nice and tight,
Okay.
and I'll drive the screw.
All right. Like that?
Yeah, perfect. I need to get in here to drive a screw. Don't want to drive it in too much, just kind of flush so it looks nice. Good.
Great.
All right, we do the same thing all the way down the line. All right, Liz, last piece. We use a spacer since we don't have a clip in there.
Okay.
And we've put some screws in to get them started. But it's also nice just to take this bar and just put a little pressure on it.
Okay.
Okay?
Yep.
Set?
Yep.
Okay, let's do it. Okay. All right, Liz, that finishes it. That went pretty well, and it looks great.
Wow, I love it. Thanks, Norm.
Thank you.
Now we've got a spot for lunch.
All right.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.